Dual station CNC drilling, tapping, and milling integrated machine. Specifically designed for the fiberglass reinforced plastic FRP industry, it is also suitable for drilling and tapping new composite materials, aluminum alloys, and plastics. Dual station continuous cyclic processing reduces own time and improves production efficiency. We offer processing services for structural components such as automatic door and window beams, side posts, frames, and photovoltaic brackets. We also provide stable, burr-free, and delamination-free batch processing of various irregular hole shapes, including rectangular, elliptical, and staggered holes in high-strength fiber-reinforced composite materials such as FRP or FRP or FRP. It can also be used for drilling and tapping of rectangular steel tubes for logistics equipment, automotive flat steel, solar photovoltaic brackets, and square or round pipes. Flexible customization from 3 to 12 meters of extra long stroke, supporting simultaneous dual station operation, enabling efficient completion of complex machining processes such as drilling, tapping, and milling on extra long components. Complex contour cutting, multi-process composite machining, specializing in new materials such as fiberglass, rubber, and plastics, and aluminum alloys. Ultra-long profiles can be processed through multiple processes in a single clamping operation. The dual power head design allows for seamless switching between drilling and tapping, with one station for drill bits and the other for taps, reducing tool change time. The drilling power head is equipped with a dust collection hood to collect dust and debris at the source, keeping the work surface clean, protecting operators from harmful dust, and improving work efficiency. A single setup automatically completes multiple composite machining processes, including drilling, tapping, milling, and contour cutting. Integrated contact tool setter, real-time detection of tool length, and automatic compensation for offset. Precision positioning fixture enables stable clamping of single or multiple 6-meter-long profiles. The CNC system precisely controls multi-axis motion to ensure stable machining, and intelligent fault diagnosis and real-time parameter monitoring improve automation reliability. The interactive human-computer interface requires no programming, no dedicated operator, and can be operated by anyone regardless of their job position. One-click adaptation to various materials such as fiberglass and aluminum alloy. Integrated intelligent control process for drilling, tapping, and milling. No programming required. Intelligent precision control for hole and groove forming. This machine can also be widely used in drilling, tapping, and milling processes in industries such as electrical insulation ladders, wind turbine blade recycling, logistics vehicles, photovoltaic brackets, steel pipes, and aluminum alloy profiles.